Hello guys, I am with another video. So this time we are going to watch in this video view reliability history. So view reliability history is nothing but your laptop's performance, stability, and what are the critical errors and what are the software and what are the technical details has been occurred in your system. So let me jump into this topic. You just click on the search button and click on Relay. Okay, and you can see view reliability history here. Click on this. Okay, now you can see this some of the thing has been shown in your display. So this is nothing but the stability index. Access your system for stability on a scale from 1 to 10. Okay, it will give you the performance and ratings of your laptop, in which condition your laptop is going through. Like you can see in my graph here, the rating is 1, 5 and 10. Okay, so from past 1.5 months you can see my graph is almost 8 to 10. So here it has decreased steeply. Still this is a good performance, I think. And I will show you the error details here, which has been shown in the red cross mark. So first let me click on this red cross mark and you can see this reliability details. And apart from that, you can check last updated 21st of February, that is today 9:30 a.m. Okay, so critical event, which what was the critical events, which is Wondershare Filmora 9. This is software, and it will give you a summary. What happened to a summary? Stopped working. Okay, so it gives you the error, why it has happened. And you can see here that Wondershare Filmora 9 has been stopped working, so that's why it gives me a critical error here. And apart from that, you can get informational events like Office 16 successful application reconfiguration. Okay, and apart from that, you can click on this. So here you can see on 18th of February I have got one hardware error. Okay, Windows hardware error. So once I double click on that, it will show you a problem will with your hardware caused Windows to stop working correctly. So this is the critical thing, and problem events has been shown below, like what are the details. I'm not a proficient in this way, but I'm just showing you what are the things has been given here. That's it. Okay, so apart from that, you can check view all problem report. Okay, and here you can see 8/12/2020. Okay, I have purchased this laptop on August 2020. So my first error has been occurred on 8th of December. So you can see all the list of your problems which has been occurred in your system. You can see here by clicking on view all problems. Okay, and apart from that, there is a simple warning is there. Windows malicious software removal tool, failed Windows update, and you can click on view technical details, and it will give you the description of what is the error encountered in your laptop. So apart from that, yeah, these are the errors. And also you can check by clicking in the scroll left whichever date you want, and also you can check by weeks. So certain weeks what are the problems has been encountered, and day wise, it will by default it will show you day wise. You can also save your reliability history in your desktop, in your laptop, wherever you want. So this is your performance. Okay, this is your laptop's performance history. So this is the video, guys. I hope you like this video, and please share this video for more informational videos coming up. Thank you so much.